In this video, we'll look at how you take the cube of, let's say, a two-digit number. Let's say I did 26 cube, in a method that is similar to what we used to do for squares, which is you basically write it as 20 plus 6, right? So you take the cube of, for this you need to know all the cubes. So you need to know from 1 cube is 1, to 8 cube is 512, and 9 cube is so 2 times 6, which is 12. And then in the cube you have a 3a square b and 3b square a term. So basically you multiply this by 3. This gives you 36. Now for the next set of terms, you basically 36 is actually 36 tenths. You multiply it by 6. So here you are putting a 0 and you are multiplying 36 with 6, which is of course just the cube of 6. So that's 216. That will come here. And then the next term is you multiply, you put 2 zeros now, and you multiply 36 by 2, which is 72. So I can just write 72 here. So that's how you get this term. So there are basically 3 terms. The first term is the cube of this and the cube of this, which is these 2. The second term is the 3ab is multiplied by b. Then the third term is 3ab is multiplied by a. So that's 6, that's 7, that's 5, and that's 17. So this basically gives you the cube of a two-digit number. Now if the two-digit number is such that the cube of the ones place is less than 3 digits, then you still need to fill it for 3 digits. For example, let's take a number, let's say 33. So we want the cube of 33. 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27, so you need to write it as 0 to 7, because you still need to fill in for 27,000. You are combining the 30 cube, which is 27,000, with 3 cube, which is 27. These two cubes you are combining. Then of course, as before, 3 3s are 9. In this case you have to triple it always. This gives you 27. So the first term, you put a 0 and you multiply 27 by 3, which is 81. And then for the second term, you put 2 zeros and again you multiply 27 by this 3, which is also 81, and then you add the result. Giving you the cube of 33. So this is how you do the cube method. So the things to remember is a cube, b cube, a times b, 3 times that, and then you multiply it by b with leaving 1 0, and you multiply with a by leaving 2 zeros. Now we will see why this method works in the next video.